Okay, students, last class we have completed determination of consumption function according to Keynes. Okay, subjective and objective factor we have completed. Next topic is investment function. Okay, next investment function. What is meant by investment function? It is that relationship between that investment and interest. Okay, it is the relation between that investment and interest. Here it is a then what is the relationship between means we are show the interested to saving our amount, okay, in the bank. For that saving, government announce that heavy rate of interest means we not all show the interest for investment, okay va. So suppose savings amount rate of interest decreasing means we have to change that investment. So that is called that functional or inverse relations between that investment and interest. Okay, that is the first paragraph. How we are writing that functionally, symbolically means I is equal to f of y. Okay, here I means investment, that is a dependent variable. F means real of f mean r means rate of interest, that means the independent variable, because then based on the rate of interest only investment increase or decrease. Suppose our rate of interest they only decided, that means the government only decided. Okay, so this is that functional relations between investment and the rate of interest. Next, meaning of investment. What is the meaning of investment? It is a purchased, okay, it is a purchased stocks and shares, debentures. These are also called that investment. Okay, these are also called that investment. But Keynes told it is only financial investment only, not all real investment. Okay, Keynes told it is only financial investment, not all real investment. So what is the real investment? We have to spend for our own consumption, no land building, that is only because the land building this is not easily convert that amount value of money, but we can by immediately we can change our amount for from that case, that is called that financial relation. Okay, what is mean? Government bonds, purchase of stock and share, we can easily converting our money, but we cannot easily convert the money from land, that building. Okay, so that is the meaning of investment. And then types of investment. Okay, what is the types of investment? Two types are there. Okay, types of investment means two types are there: autonomous investment and induced investment. Autonomous investment. Okay, autonomous investment means nothing. Autonomous investment. Autonomous investment means what? That is not all depending upon national income. Autonomous means self implied, like, okay. So investment not all depending on the national income, because this is the autonomous investment means maximum government only do this like of investment. So here dependent variable on the national income. National income decrease or increase, autonomous investment increasing. Okay, that is called that investment that is not depending on the national income, and mainly done with the motive for not for making profits. Autonomous investment means only for wealth motive only. Okay, only for wealth motive only, and not all for the not all for the profit making. Okay, then example, construction of buildings, schools, like this. And then not affected by the rise of raw material. Suppose raw material or wages of worker, suppose raw material price is increasing or decreasing, the entrepreneur, that means autonomous investment do not consider. Like this, wages increase or decrease also they do not consider, because autonomous investment totally spent by government only. The government have to good wealth and health for the people, so this is not bother about anything. And then not affected by the rise of raw material of wages worker, and then essential to development of output depression. So we have to improve from the depression period. Okay, suppose depression period and any difficulty period occur in the economy means government started to put that sum of the amount. Okay, from this amount the people also cover the sum of the business, they also earning income. Next, autonomous investment. Autonomous investment. It is a independent changes of income. Okay, autonomous investment mean independent changes of income, and then rate of interest also profit only. Okay, so that is called that autonomous investment. Next, the investment is independent of economic activity, you know very well. Okay, and then autonomous investment is increasing these tools. Okay, increase income investment diagram. Okay, so whenever income increases, our autonomous income also increases through the government. Okay, through the government, the autonomous investment curve is horizontal parallel to x-axis. Okay, this is the autonomous handle. Okay, so autonomous investment curve horizontal. Okay, this is the horizontal line. Next, in the times of economic depression, suppose any depression period will come means government only have, I said no, government try to solve this problem through the autonomous investment. uh, so, autonomous investment means only for welfare motive. This is done by government only. Any income, national income, any other income not all affected. Whatever they have, okay, whatever they want to thought, give that people welfare only. So, not all get the profit motive. Okay, so this is that autonomous investment. So next in autonomous investment completed. Next one is induced investment. We will see next class. Okay.